So here's a quick look at the Grayl Geopress. This is the slightly larger water purifying bottle that they do. It's a little bit different from other water purifying types. Usually you've got some kind of hand pump to fill something up, or you suck and drink through a filter and have to sort of draw it yourself. The idea with this one is that you fill up a kind of outer container to the bottle, and then put the inner container in the top and just push it down. So I'll kind of show you how that works in a second. There's a filter at the bottom here. And that filter is good for about 150 filters. It's got a combination of a very super fine filtration in it, an ion exchange, and also a bit of activated carbon. And the idea is that it will remove 99.9% of bacteria, I think some viruses, protozoans, algae, heavy metals, chemicals, pollutants, that kind of thing. And even if your water source is pretty good, what it's good at doing is taking away some of the kind of unusual tastes that you can get with some things. I'm here at a reasonable water source. The water's pretty clear and vaguely moving, and it's kind of suitable for this kind of thing. So how it works with this bigger version is you've got a nice screw cap on top, and you can actually screw this top section off entirely and drink from it almost like a giant open bottle. And then the container here will hold 24 ounces of water. If you look closely, you can see the fill line there. So that's the line that's the highest that you can fill it from. So I'm just going to fill it up with some water slowly so I don't get too much particulate in. So you can see there I filled it up pretty much to the line. So the idea is that you then just place it down. You take the inner part here, put it in the top here, he said, lining it up, and then I'm just going to check this is tight. What I tend to do is leave the cap off so that there's some air to come out, and then you can see there's two press sections here you can put your hands on just to use your own body weight to force it through, and then all you do is just push your body weight down like that, and if you look inside you can actually see the water coming in and pushing inside. So I'm just going to push down. It takes about a minute, he said, nearly there. You can see it's nearly come down to the bottom. Oh, there's someone's dog coming over to say hello. That's alright, no problem. And there you go, water's full, so it's purified through and you can just drink straight through. Like that, and it's instantly purified. So there you go, it gives you a quick look at how the bottle works. Some dogs come over to say hello. So there you go, that's the Grayl water purifier.